In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the column quick filters. If you go into the top main menu here and click on the software settings, you'll see you have two options here, the column quick filters, and you can actually customize them. Now, the quick filters are located on the very top row here, and there's little drop-down menus, and you can see each corresponding quick filter. For example, for the score, let's say we select greater than 90, and it will automatically apply that filter there. So to remove filters, I'm just going to go right click filters and delete filters. You can also delete filters by clicking the filters button down here, click delete filters like that. And so some people may want to change the filters to something else. What you can do here is you can modify them here. So this is one I added in a previous video. Let's just take it out and we can click done like that, and you can see it automatically will remove it. So let me explain how the formatting works in here. It has to be very specific. So if you mess something up in here, it actually won't work. So let me explain. So the first part here you're going to see is the name of the column. To see the name of the column, you can simply hover your mouse over and you can kind of move it like that. You can make it wider, or you can right click and go to columns and go auto fit column widths. And it should automatically, there we go. It automatically fits to the data in the cells, not the title. So that was not very useful. Anyhow, we can just move them like that, and you can see the column title. You can actually also move the columns around if you want. If you want to have the score, say, closer over here, you can actually move it. But let's just expand out. So you see the column names. So we go back to the quick filters settings. You can see the first part has to match the name of the column exactly. So it has to be Amazon space US. And then you want to put a colon and then a space. And then you could only, for quick filters, you only have three options you can do. The word greater, equal, or less. Now, if you want more options for your filters, then I suggest not using the quick filters and actually just using the filters themselves. So you go to filters, show filters, and then here, when you create a filter, you got a lot more options in here. You select your column and then you compare type. You got all these different types here. But for this particular video, I'm just showing you how to customize the quick filters. So let's go back down to the bottom here. And the best way to do it so you don't sort of mess up anything, typing the wrong word or putting the wrong symbol or doing something wrong in here, all you have to do is you just copy one of the rows here, or one of the, I guess, lines, and you can right click and copy. And I'm just going to hit the enter key on my keyboard to make another line, and right click and paste. And let's say I want this to be 95. I want to be greater than 95. And I click done. And you should automatically see it right here in the, if I move it over in the quick filters, 95, there it is. Let's go ahead and clear that out. And let's say we only wanted to see, let's just add something completely different here. Let's put equal. And then when you put the equal, you have to put the equal sign like that. And I want to see scores that are equal to, I don't know, 20.5 or something like that. Click done. That should show up. And now it's going to show just the scores that exactly equal that. So as an example, let's go ahead and just remove those again. And then other one you can do is less. So you put the word less, and then you do the less than sign. And you want to see everything less than 20.5, for example. And that will show up there. And you can easily apply it. So that's how you basically customize the quick filters. You can also, there's also an option to save the quick filters to file. And you can load them from files. So you can just save them. It just saves it into a text file. So if you go to that there and we look at quick filters, it's just a text file. So you can actually modify them in here if you want. So let's say you didn't want that. Let's save that file. Now we can go here, we can go File, Load the quick filters. And then that one would be removed. Click Done. And you can see that it applied there. Let's say you do a whole bunch of stuff and you mess up everything and you forget what was there and do something like that. You got no more quick filters there. It's like something weird happens. Just go there and click Defaults. And it'll automatically add the defaults back in. And we got it all there. So that's basically how to customize the quick filters. Pretty simple, but I just want to emphasize you do have to keep the formatting exactly. So you got to have the column name at the top there, then a colon, a space, and then this word here can either be greater, equal, or less. There's only 3 words you can use there, and then you got to use the corresponding symbol, less than, greater than, or equal sign, and then the corresponding data number that you want to have for that particular quick filter.